Got any extra bananas at home? After making this cake, you'll never want it any other way. In a bowl, start by adding 3 eggs, then 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine, followed by 3/4 cup of milk. Now let's mix all of this together well. Remember, the cup I'm using holds 240 milliliters. Once it's mixed, we'll add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. With our batter smooth, add 1 TBSP baking powder and mix again. Now that our batter's ready, pour it into a greased, floured pan. Spread the batter evenly in the pan. Next, we'll start adding the bananas. I've sliced them in half and placed them all over the pan. Now, over the bananas, we'll add 400 grams of dulce de leche. Meanwhile, in a smaller bowl, we'll add 1.5 cups of flour, 1.5 cups sugar, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 3 heaping tablespoons butter or margarine mixed with hands. Then take this crumb topping and sprinkle it all over. Now bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. Check it out, folks. This banana cake is amazing, quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. A melt-in-your-mouth treat. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time and thanks.